Hi, my name's Abe Elias. I'm field editor for Knives Illustrated magazine. If you'd like to catch some of my other reviews, just pick up a copy of Knives Illustrated magazine and you read all about the newest releases and techniques and how-tos in Knives Illustrated month to month. I'm here today with a sheath that I think definitely needs some attention by the public. It's Hedgehog Leatherworks. Currently right now they're producing one model of sheath for the Tops Tom Brown tracker. As a production sheath, definitely a high quality product with a lot of the bells and whistles you want on a sheath and some innovations that surpass the other competition sheaths. First, I'd like to take a look at the thing that I think is really impressive here is the quick release, rapid release rig up that they have on here. As you can see, they've got a patent pending on this because it's an original idea, and most definitely an original idea. What it is instead of having a sheath, a lot of times you'll see with the big blades, when you open up, it'll just flop there and hang right about there, and then you got to worry about clearing it out of the way so you don't cut the sheath. This one actually pulls it back, clears, so that way the knife slips out of the way, and on re-entry you're not messing with any loops or anything that come in. I think that's a really, really good idea. Plus the fact that I like the fact that it's got a little bit of a silent effect to it too, because it's not loud and snappy like. This sheath, this particular model that I have, has the horizontal mounts to it. So you take your buckles off, and these are really good locking buckles so you're not about to lose it. If you see there, I had a little problem turning around and pulling it open. That's a really stiff lock, so I don't see this sheath coming off. Anyways, you mount it horizontally on your belt, the back, the small of your back, however you'd like it. And as an extra added feature, so that way you got flexible carry, which is always important because everybody's got a different style and different way of doing things. Comes with an Allen wrench, so that way you can attach yourself a fixed loop belt loop. If you're looking at it, the quality of this sheath for a production sheath off of a company that's totally American made, it's definitely got a lot of the earmarks of custom knife work. Beautiful double stitching. It's got a nice welt in here to protect the stitching so you don't cut on entry or exit of the knife blade. Definitely smooth as a baby's bottom right in here. So there's a lot of craftsmanship that goes into that, a lot of attention to detail. All the edges are nicely done. You're not catching yourself on anything. Everything's just beautifully done. It's got a really good look to it. And top it off too, there's no skimping. Take a look at the thickness of that leather. You're getting a 9 to 10 ounce piece of leather there, and that's definite protection there on top of the welt. It's a good quality product. I'd suggest for anybody who's got a Tom Brown tracker, stop by Hedgehog Leatherworks. Check this out. It's a definite companion you got to have for your sheath. Brings this knife up 1 to 2 notches at least in carrying capacity. Thanks for listening. Again, my name's Abe Elias. I'm field editor for Knives Illustrated.